Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we've made it to day number 269 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what's going on here, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. So let's go ahead and hop right into this video, guys. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. All right. Now, what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. So the more accounts that you have, the more likely you're going to receive more leads in your account. Okay, so if you have one account, you're going to receive 100 leads. If you have two accounts, you're going to receive 200 on one and then 100 on the other. All right, now the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay, so you can literally come in here, sign up for an account, and then you can stack your accounts using under your own affiliate link. Okay, you can sign up under your own affiliate link, okay, using a different email address, and you can stack your accounts on top of each other until you get as many accounts as you like. Okay, now, the whole goal here, guys, is to have multiple accounts, to where you're getting thousands of people in those accounts, okay? And you're able to send it out. You're able to send out one email blast every 24 hours, okay? And that's just another cool thing about My Legion Secret is that they allow you to come in every single day and send out an email, okay? Now, when you have these accounts, guys, each individual account will collect leads every single day, okay? So in each account, those leads are going to keep building up and building up. As long as you stay with My Legion Secret, those leads are going to stay with you. Okay, so you're going to be able to build a business based around My Legion Secret. So these are business opportunity traffic, which means that these people are interested in making money online. Okay, so our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and we find opportunities that are related to making money. Okay, now, a little bit about myself with My Legion Secret. I've been with My Legion Secret for about 3.5 years now. I totally love the service. Okay, I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert, guys. So I recommend you guys getting started. This is a real business. All right. So I have about 8 different accounts that I use personally. I come in every single day and send out my emails. It takes me anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every single day. I like sending out my emails anywhere between the hours of 9 p.m. all the way up to midnight. Okay, just depending on what I'm doing. But I like to get my emails in, before midnight. I can set aside 5 to 10 minutes to send out emails every day. Okay. So, and then I got other um, activities, money making activities that I do during the day to earn income. Okay. Online. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. There's going to be a couple of popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. I'm going to go over two of those. Number one is just promoting My Legion Secret. Okay, you can literally come in here, promote My Legion Secret as a company. You can create an email, go into this mailing system, create an email, use your affiliate link to put in your email, send that email out. You can also go here to the affiliates tab and go to the promo tools. And you can use these pre-written email swipes right here. You just grab one of these emails. It's going to automatically populate it for you. Select the emails that you have in your account so it can load those up. Okay, and then it already gives you a subject line right there. And then it already gives you a pre-written email swipe. It's already ready to go. You don't have to write anything or do anything. Okay. And you click on perfect timing right there. Always make sure you got a check mark right there. And you come down here and you click send now. Okay. You cannot see that now because I've already sent out my email in this account. Okay. So that's going to be one popular way to just by promoting My Legion Secret. They have a great compensation plan. And I've made money with My Legion Secret. I still do, but that's one way. If you just wanted to strictly just promote My Legion Secret, you can do that. All right. The other way is using an affiliate network, such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty. Like there's just tons of different offers that you guys can use. Tons of different networks that you guys can use to promote to this traffic because All you have to do is go find a business opportunity offer, a good one, right? And send that out to this traffic. You're going to get, clicks and get attention to your offers. All right. So that's pretty much what you could do. Okay. And we're using ClickBank for this video series because the leads respond very well to ClickBank offers. All right. So I've been doing this over a few years, and the ClickBank, I've been promoting ClickBank offers, and I've been receiving income from ClickBank by using my Legion Secret. Okay. So let's see here. So those are going to be the ways, the two popular ways to make money. There's going to be three ways to send out an email. Number one is create your own email. Okay. Number two is use an email AI service or Chat GPT or whatever. And then three is using the pre-written email swipes that come with the offer. Okay. Now, if you grab an offer from ClickBank, the cool thing is that they have an affiliate section where they have pre-written email swipes that you guys can use. So all you have to do is copy those emails from ClickBank and paste them over here to the My Legion Secret. All right. And that's what I would recommend you guys doing first, is starting with something that already works. Okay. And build on that. And then once you build on that, then you can venture off and do other stuff with that. Okay. And let me show you what one of those emails will look like from ClickBank. This will be something similar to what you would see on ClickBank. Okay. So they give you a subject line from ClickBank, okay, from the offer, right? You grab the offer subject line and you come over here and you paste it into the My Legion Secret. You also come over here. You go to back to ClickBank, grab the pre-written email swipe that's already ready, okay? And the email swipe will look something like this. Like this email, I did not come up with it at all. Okay. All I did was go copy it from somewhere and I came here and I pasted it in. All right. And that's pretty much it. And then I created my own affiliate link right here, this clickable link. So you can take a sentence and you can basically turn any sentence into a clickable link. You click, highlight something and you click on the chain link in the back office here. And then you put in your affiliate link in this link, okay, and it turns it into a clickable link, like I did for this, okay. So once somebody clicks where it says click here and submit, it's just going to take them right to my affiliate page, okay. And that affiliate page for my offer will do all the selling and telling for me, okay. It's pretty easy, and actually it's pretty cool, okay. So that's what I would recommend you guys doing, is go ahead and just start with something that already works, okay. Start with an email service that already works, or something like that, okay. Now, let's go ahead and take you over here to ClickBank. ClickBank, this is one of my ClickBank accounts. I do have a few of them. This one specifically I created for this challenge because I wanted to show you guys the power of My Legion Secret, okay? I wanted to show you guys the power of My Legion Secret traffic, all right? All these sales that you see from all these months that I've been doing this have came from My Legion Secret, all right? So this is ClickBank. I've been with ClickBank over a century now, guys. I totally love this network. Okay. I'm really a big ClickBank fan. I do a lot of ClickBank advertising. I have a website builder from ClickBank. Like I do a lot with ClickBank because I've made money with ClickBank over the years. So, okay, I've invested, thousands of dollars in campaigns and things like that to use their offers. They have great offers, guys, and I just love them. Like I've been with them for a while. The cool thing, one thing I love about ClickBank is that they pay every week, right? Like they pay every Friday. Okay, today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. I get paid tomorrow, right? So, and I get paid for the work that I do during the week. So whatever I do during the week, okay, I'm going to get paid out on Friday. Okay, which is pretty cool. Okay. So this account, like I said, I only did this just for this challenge. Okay, this is just some extra money, just to show you guys what's possible for you if you wanted to do it. Okay, so let's see. This is the ClickBank account for the My Legion Secret offer, and these are the results from the last 30 days. Okay, today is January the 22nd, right here. Come down at the bottom is January 22nd. This is not some fake screenshot or anything. These are real results and real sales from the last 30 days. Okay. We've been earning pretty consistent income, right? We've been, it slowed up during the holiday season. We've been missing one day without getting a sale. We got, rebills back to back. We've missed a couple of days and missed a couple of days, missed a couple of days, right? But the sales have been pretty consistent with coming in, right? So, and the cool thing about that is that if you do the work one time, as long as you are sending out emails every single day and you're creating your accounts and you have multiple accounts, these results are going to come like clockwork. Okay, every Friday you're going to get paid, right? So, and what you want to do is you want to build on that by sending out emails every single day, and you build it up. These results right here, guys, you can expect these results in little as 3 months, right? So, I remember, back when it was the third month of this challenge, we were getting consistent income, and we've been making consistent income for a while now. Okay. Now, the next breakthrough is where what you're going to see is we're going to start getting sales every single day. Okay. That will be the next breakthrough. Okay. We're in month number 8 of this challenge. We still got about 4 months to go. So there's going to be, a lot of things that's going to be happening during this time. So I just want you guys to stay tuned to this challenge. Okay. So these are the results, guys. This is what it looks like. You can get paid from this. Like I said, I'm getting a paycheck from these results tomorrow. Okay, guys. So let me show you how to get started. Okay. There's a link below this video. Okay. Every video that I create, okay, I always leave a link for you guys, which is this URL right here. Click on that. It's going to take you over to the My Legion Secret platform. Watch this video. It's a great video. It's going to show you how you can make money and the income potential. Okay. And then you come down here. These are going to be just testimonials of other people making money with the program. I'm not the only one making money. There's other people doing it. Okay. So you come back up here, click on where it says join email MLGS now for $1 a day, guys. Like it's super, super easy to do. Put in your email address, guys. There is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, super cheap, okay? And then $30 a month to keep the service. Like it's just a no-brainer, okay? I don't even have to go into how cheap this is and how affordable this is because it's super cheap. I've been paying for this for a few years, right? So, and it's nothing. And I'm making, triple, quadruple this amount, okay, of what it costs to invest in yourself, okay? Now, whenever you pay this money, guys, just remember that you are investing in yourself, okay? You're not investing in anyone else, okay? I'm not making any type of big commission or anything. I make a few dollars if you guys sign up, underneath my link, okay? And what that enables me to do is be able to help you guys out and you build a business for yourself, okay? So don't think that when you spend the money to invest in yourself that you making somebody a bunch of money, right? You're investing in yourself, okay? That account, whenever you create it, it's your account, okay? And you're going to be able to build customers in that. Now, if you don't sign up or anything like that, I'm still going to come here every single day, build value, and teach people. But I'm still going to send out my emails personally. Okay, I have my own accounts going. I'm still going to send out my emails, and I'm still going to make money either way it go, whether you sign up or not. Okay, so it's just going to do you, it's going to do you justice to sign up, okay, and get something started for yourself if you need the extra income. If you don't, this video may not be for you. Okay. So go ahead and get started. If you do get started, guys, send me a message, comment below this video. Let me know that you did sign up and let me know what email that you used to sign up. That way I can send you guys some bonus emails where you can get started pretty quick. Okay. And these bonus emails have allowed me to earn this income as little as 3 months. Okay. You'll start making money within your first month. But it'll build from that first month, second month, and then third month, and then you'll start making, pretty consistent income. But I do got some special emails that I don't share with everyone, but I will share with you for the people that actually join underneath my link and that want to, seek more information on how I'm doing it. Okay, so if you can, go ahead and get started and get signed up. Also, if you can, whether you sign up or not, please like this video. Okay. Subscribe to this channel. There's going to be a lot of value that I'm going to be bringing to the community. It just helps the algorithm, guys. It helps get this message out to people who need to make money. All right. So I've already sent out my emails tonight. So I'm going to leave this video on that note, and I'll meet you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.